Go. You got it? Get down. Where was it we put it last time? Right here? Whoa.
Alright, you.
Was it right here?
Yeah, that's where, yeah, I think so.
Right there?
Yeah. I believe it was. Yeah.
Alright. Now,
Just
get Molly, okay?
I know, I just wanted
to be raised up over that knot. There it is. Whoa! There she goes. Whoa, boy, I'm sorry, I got you. Get it. Awesome. She can't come back down though. Come on, jump. She's like, I'm looking for the ladder. What you gonna do? You gonna try it? You gonna try it? Come on, come on. I got it. All right.
Get it, girl. Get him all here. Where is she?
Money dog.
Here you go.
I figured she'd have trouble coming
Money
down.
dog. It's a treat.
It's a little different.